Welcome to Proven and Probable, where we focus on metals, mining, and more. I'm your host, Maurice Jackson. Today, we'll provide an update on Riverside Resources, where knowledge is golden, trading on the TSXV, symbol RRI, and on the OTC, symbol RVSDF. Joining us for a conversation is Dr. John Mark Staude, the President, CEO, and Director of Riverside Resources. Before we begin, allow me to convey to our listeners that Riverside Resources is a sponsor of Proven and Probable, and that we are proud shareholders of Riverside Resources for the virtues we will convey in today's message. Dr. Staude, welcome to the show, sir.
Great to be on the show, Maurice.
John Mark, let's discuss the company's latest press release issued February 15th, entitled Riverside Provides Update on Exploration and Drilling in Sonora, Mexico. Let's begin with the Clemente Gold-Silver Project. What can you share with us?
Well, we're really excited. You know, Clemente, we're doing the drilling with the partner Silver Viper. We've gotten half of the drill program done, and we now have another half to go. What we have going forward will be the testing of the Santa Elena target, which we see as a very interesting system of veins, good potential, near to the Cerro Colorado halted gold operation. So us doing exploration near an operation provides us with an immediate flow for our discoveries into someone else's mine. We really like that a lot. The drill results for two of the targets hit some vein mineralization up to 800 grams silver, very high grades. Riverside's excited to see the progress continuing at Clemente, and really partnering work is the way we like to do our prospect generation exploration. So Clemente is on track. Fun to see this progressing.
And I just want to reemphasize that as 800 grams of silver. Is that correct, sir?
That is, those type of rich values is exactly the type of discoveries we like to make.
Now we have additional news coming from Sonora as well on the Glor Gold Project. Please provide us with an update, sir.
Glore is a lot of fun. We're doing the work there with Centerra Gold. They're a big gold mining operating company looking to diversify and expand. Partnering with us is a great way for them to do that, and for us to test projects that we own, we have options on, and have them funding the work on. So this work was on one of the target areas, the Puerto El Alamo target. This target is the typical of gold in Sonora, Mexico, very much like the Chinate gold mine, which is immediately to the east of us. So we're trying to find discoveries around the open pits of other people. That's a great place to make new discoveries. The Glor Project, we're progressing, again, having more targets to continue to explore on during 2018. We're in a good situation with Glor, with Centerra.
Now, understanding the press release, we weren't as excited about the work. We didn't have the favorable results that we thought we would have from the Puerto El Alamo. But that was only one of 4 targets. Is that correct?
That's right. And that's why we really like the prospect generator model. And I've been telling this to shareholders that, it's exploration's high risk. We're diversifying and spreading that risk. Having us owning these projects to test targets, to test different areas at a property where we actually get paid a fee for doing it is just a wonderful business model. And the drill results on these 7 holes that we drilled didn't make a big discovery. However, we do see that we have other targets at the La Jolla, the San Pedro, other zones that we're looking forward to testing during 2018.
All right. Switching gears, John Mark, provide us with an update on the company's financials.
Riverside's in a very strong financial position. We have no debt. We have $3 million cash, that's Canadian dollars, and we have shares of other companies. So that gives us great value. So Riverside continues to be able to move forward with a prospect generator with a very tight share structure of only 44 million shares issued. A really good position for Riverside after 11 years.
I have to ask you Rick Rule's favorite question when you're at a symposium. And what is your enterprise value?
Our enterprise value is very low. Our enterprise value is less than $9 million. And that just really goes to show that right now there's great upside because we have 11 projects. We have projects going with partners, very low valuation, a real good upside for Riverside.
Now, before we close, Dr. Staude, what keeps you up at night that we don't know about?
The real important thing for us that keeps us up at night is making sure that we continue to make more discoveries. I think we're disappointed in the drilling results on this testing of this target at Glore, but we're very excited about the next drilling at Glore, the next drilling with Silver Viper that we can do at Clemente, and the other projects, including the Cecilia project. So what really keeps us up at night is how can we get going faster? And we're really working hard to do that, to expose our shareholders to more discoveries during 2018.
And finally, what did I forget to ask?
You know, it's really interesting. Our shareholders keep asking, what are the other catalysts? And for us, one of the other catalysts is the Peñoles project, where we do have, again, high-grade silver, very good resource there on site, and good potential. So I think for us, 2018 also sees exploration at our Peñoles project. So another good asset, plus the addition of more assets. So Riverside continues to work hard.
And I share that sentiment as well because I purchased some shares this past week on Riverside Resources as well. So I have full confidence in you and the entire team there at Riverside Resources. John Mark, for someone listening that wants to get more information on Riverside Resources, please share the contact details.
Please go to our website, www.rivres.com, or call us at 778-327-6671. We definitely like to speak to you, and we'd love to be able to give you more information about Riverside Resources.
And last but not least, please visit our website, www.provenandprobable.com, where we interview the most respected names in the natural resource space. You may reach us at contact@provenandprobable.com. Dr. John Mark Staude of Riverside Resources, thank you for joining us today on Proven and Probable.
Thank you for joining us today on Proven and Probable. Remember to like and subscribe for more conversations with the most respected names in the natural resource space. Check out our website at www.provenandprobable.com. The information presented on Proven and Probable is provided for educational and informational purposes only, without any express or implied warranty of any kind, including warranties of accuracy, completeness, or fitness for any particular purpose. The information is not intended to be and does not constitute financial or trading advice or any other advice. You should not make any financial or trading decision based on any of the information without undertaking independent due diligence and consultation with a professional broker or competent financial advisor.